Let's get this heist underway.
Yep, our fabricator should be down in one of the storage bays.
Well, technically, it's their fabricator.
Okay, welcome to cart control. Let's call up the lift and get started.
Are all the construction hubs this big?
Yeah, exactly this big, exactly this shape, exactly this layout.
All right, now we go to the storage base. Del, you get us there. Kate, come with me.
On it. Have fun down there, you two.
We're aboard. Now send us down. Hey, is there a problem?
No. Just figuring out these controls. Ah, there we go.
Hey, what's going on up there? We losing power?
Working on it.
Oh, that's a lot of DBs. Hey, let's keep things moving, all right?
Yeah, I'm trying. These controls are confusing as hell. Uh-oh.
Now what? Del, what the hell are you doing?
I'm sorry. The system locked me out. I cut the power to sneak back in.
Do you control this lift or not?
Yes! Kind of.
Kate, just remind me to let you handle the controls next time, okay?
I heard that!
Eyes up, there's a fabricator. Hey, help me carry this thing. All right, come on. Nice and easy. All right, it's loaded. Del, get this thing moving.
You got it.
Can't wait to get this thing home and fix the power. Even though reading by candlelight was kind of nice.
That might be the dorkiest thing you say today, but probably not. Always use more. Nice. Whoa, Del, they're locking down the lift.
Shit! Some kind of security override just kicked in. Ah, god damn it! I'm knocked out of the system again!
Well, hack your way back in.
Trackers rolling in!
Drop one dead tracker. Don't let him get close! Tracker destroyed!
More trackers! More of them!
One dead down! What's your status?
I'm hacking back into the
Just
system!
keep coming!
Just hang on! I think I got it!
Nice try!
Hell yeah! I'm bringing you up!
Gotta be joking. Down!
Hey! This isn't easy, man!
Just hurry up and fix it. Jeffers, incoming!
Moving now. Retain all lawful targets.
Now, close the security doors!
I'm trying! It says no access!
More of them!
Comply with our reasonable request.
Another dead
Hostile contact.
They're flanking us!
Suppression mode.
Use the override to make cover!
Suppression mode activated.
Del, what's your status?
I'm hacking back into the system. Just hang on, I think I got it.
Hostile contacts identified. Hostile activity will not accelerate. Suppression mode activated.
Yes, I'm back in the system. Anyone need a ride up?
Yes, please!
Hostile
Everyone's killing us down here.
No, I'm trying not to.
engage and suppress. Investigating.
Hey, whoa, Del, you just missed our stop!
Yeah, I know! Shit just got real in here! Use a hand!
Kate, we gotta back him up! Another dead shepherd!
Unit reloading.
I got him!
Hostile contacts identified. Activate defense mode.
Little help, please!
More hostile contacts. Commence detainment.
I gotta learn to count my shots!
There's too many of them!
Unit reloading.
Doesn't come in handy.
Activate defense mode.
Okay. I'm good. Let's get you back down.
Yeah. That'd be nice. All right, so let's get out of here. Come on, help me with this fabricator. Hey, help me carry this thing.
Hey, you remember what you told Rain about getting a fabricator, JD?
Oh, please, remind me.
In and out, simple job. Direct quotes.
Means it can only get easier from here, right? Get back to Oscar.
Who's gonna be very, very,